Friday, how are you? Most of us spend our time on our phone like this, head down, looking at what is interesting on YouTube, on Facebook, how life going and walking like this. We can eat the world. Oh my love, I didn't see where I'm going. I'm groggy now. Phone addiction. But I didn't find the things I want, so I am scrolling so intensely. My phone gets hot, it's gonna fall. If you feel like this in your business, scrolling instantly through pages and pages on the phone, try to find a suitable company to help you raise your income, get more customer and recurring customer in your business. Well, stop scrolling instantly on the phone and access the expert at Girlfridayz. Do you know what? We've got the sale method that you need and the manual. You wouldn't believe it. And if you go online again and scroll and scroll and scroll, you'll find the evidence of what we say to you. Where is the manual, for crying out loud? I don't know where I put it, but I'm surely gonna go through the secret door today to get my 1.7 million pound sale method. Where is it? We can't find it, man. Oh. There it is. I went through the secret door and get it. Wow, cost me 1.7 million pounds, but I'm gonna make so much money, man, that you don't even know why. Get your shiny method for your wall. Sale method answer a century-old problem. For crying out loud, I wasn't even born and people were making sale. I was born in Little Le Havre. Yeah, who would have known that I would have updated the whole marketing industry on my own? A woman, a little girl, that her mom had to drag to go to school because Trisha there, Auntie May, didn't like school. I did not like to go to school. I was dragged to go to school because me never like to be among people. Recovery, introvert, who advance the entire marketing industry by contributing to it. 3 places. Here I'm at sale method. I'm solving a problem that was there before all of us. And now you have 8 strategic blueprint for success. I'm a sale method who answer, I believe, a global problem. Wow, amazing. And if you don't know how to use it, scroll and find us. We are online. We are number 1. And we got the manual for you. Get it today on La Boutique or Amazon. Did you get that? Get us on your phone and don't walk like this. You might bump into something, you see? Pay attention to the world around you. It's always beneficial.